Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is the beginning of the November Lit Coding Challenge and the problem is convert binary number in a linked list to integer. So in this problem, given a binary representation of a number as a bitwise nodes of a linked list. So this is a one node to 101. So this is a binary representation of 5 in binary. So we have to return the decimal number of this all the from the linked list. So this will become 5, we have to return 5. If it is, let's say 110, then it is 6, so we have to return 6. So how we construct the binary number into decimal? So this is the problem is for that. So if we have, let's say 110, then how we construct this into the decimal? We take the least significant bit, multiplied it with 2 to the power 0, then we go from least significant bits towards the most significant bit, and every next bit we increase this 2 to the power by 1. So 1 into 2 to the power 1, and here 1 into 2 to the power 2. So this will become 4 plus, and we add up all these 4 plus 2 plus 0, which is the 6 in decimal number. So if you see, so if we know these bits in a least significant bit to most significant bit, then we can usually do by this approach. So one solution you can do brute forcefully, hold these numbers into a stack to get the reverse order. So 1 1 0, then pull from the stack one by one and keep a factor variable, multiply it every alternate step by 2, and keep a decimal number num, and keep adding this product, like num is equals to the num plus the value from the stack dot pop, let's say stack dot pop, the and multiplied by factor, and every step factor you change by 2 of f multiplied by it to itself. So this is the one approach, but in this approach if you see, we have to scan the linked list 2 times and the not linked list 2 times, but we are using the extra space for filling the integer into the stack. So can we do it without the extra space? So let's try it. So if you see this representation, so let's say initially our decimal number is 0. If I multiply 0 with 2 and add the value of the first node, which is 1, then multiply it again with 2 plus the value on the second bit, which is 1, then multiply this whole with 2 plus the bit on the third bit. So this will be 0. So if we open this, so this will become same what we are getting, 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 0. So this is what we represented over here. So this is same. So this is the another approach we can solve this problem. So let's understand with more generic. Let's say if we have bits A, B and C, so from that formula we can write this as, so initial number which is 0 into 2 plus the bit A into 2 plus the bit B into whole by 2 plus the bit C. Once this reach and we just add it, so stop. So now we can see this 2 will multiply 2 times. So A into 2 to the power 2 plus B into 2 to the power 1 plus C into 1, and as 1 can be also write as 2 to the power 0. So this is our binary same formula. So let's implement the code. So for code we need a variable num. Let's say this is our decimal number, and we will iterate the list until the head not become null, and we first multiply num is equals to num star 2 plus the value on that node, which is head dot val, and head shift head to head dot next. So that's it, and in the end we just return the number, decimal number we constructed from the binary representation in the linked list. So let's try to compile code, and it is working. Let's submit the code. and it is accepted. So, the time complexity of this solution, as you can see, we are just iterating, processing all the nodes of linked list, which is if n nodes, so O of n, and the space complexity we are using constant, so which is constant. So, that is it. Try it out. If you like the solution, hit the like button and subscribe to for more videos. Thanks for watching.